Do you want to make your own spa fuzzy slippers? Then keep on watching. Okay guys, to get started for this project, you're just going to need one of the Dollar Tree fuzzy pillows, and you're going to need this white slippers. They have different colors, but I picked that one. Of course, you're going to need some scissors, and you're going to need your hot glue gun. So we're going to go ahead and remove the tags off of the slippers in order to begin. Next, you're going to take your pillow, and what we're going to do, we're going to be using the fuzzy side of this pillow, so of course we have to cut this part. We're going to cut the back side of the pillow. I started by cutting a corner of the pillow in order to make it easier for me to go ahead and insert the scissors to cut around easily. So just be careful, guys, with the sharp scissors as you're cutting around on your pillow. So once you're about close to being done, you're going to have pieces. So you're going to go ahead and cut around, and then you're going to cut the pieces that's going to be going on top of your slippers. Just like I did here, you're going to need 2 pieces, one for each side. You're just going to measure it and just make sure that they fit right over the top. And then you're going to use your glue gun to attach the fuzzy portion of that pillow onto the slippers. So this is how I'm going to do it to check. I first check and put it on there, and it fits perfectly. And I'm going to go ahead and take my glue gun and put it on there. So just be careful when you're using your glue gun. You're just going to apply the glue, put a good amount on there so that it will stick perfectly. So once you're done, this is how your slippers, your fuzzy slippers look. It looks so cute, and it's only $2. So guys, this is how the end project looked. I'm so excited, and I love the way it looked. It was only $2. I have my nice fuzzy cute spa slippers that I can wear around the house on my spa day. This is amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, definitely please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, I'll put on the cards here where you can see my last video on how to make your DIY summer sandals. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, please definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. Once you do that, definitely hit the subscribe button. I want you to go ahead and hit that bell notification button as well. So definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like it.